views and subscribers, if I had 2,000 subscribers, 2,000 likes, and 2,000 views, then I'm gonna do a giveaway, and it's gonna be the real Just Love.
She lied.